Hello everyone. Today we will see the lesson Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture written by Jerome K. Jerome of your compulsory English, and these are multiple choice questions with answers. So do share with your friends and like and subscribe the channel. Question number 1. Who is the writer of Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture? And the correct option is option C, Jerome K. Jerome. Question number 2. What is the name of the novel written by Jerome K. Jerome? And the correct answer is option A, Three Men in a Boat. Question number 3. Who takes the credit of hanging the picture? And the correct answer is option A, Uncle Podger. Question number 4. How many members were there in Uncle Podger's family? And the correct answer is option C, 6 members. And here is the list of the members. Uncle Podger himself, his wife Aunt Maria, their 3 sons Tom, Jim and Will, and their daughter, the girl. Question number 5. How many people were there to help Uncle Podger? And the correct answer is option A, 6 people. Again, here is the list of the people who helped Uncle Podger. Aunt Maria, Tom, Jim, Will, the girl, and their maid, Charwoman. Question number 6. What work was given to Aunt Maria by Uncle Podger? And the correct answer is option B, to hold the light. Question number 7. Which task did Uncle Podger undertake? And the correct answer is option B, hanging a picture. Question number 8. When did Uncle Podger finish his work? And the correct answer is option B, at around midnight. Question number 9. What did Aunt Podger say after Uncle Podger smashed his thumb? And the correct answer is option A, the next time she would go to her mother's house. Question number 10. How do you describe Uncle Podger? And the options are a funny man, a forgetful man, a well organized man, both A and B. And the correct answer is option D, both A and B. That means a funny man and a forgetful man. Question number 11. Who made the task very exhausting? And the correct answer is option A, Uncle Podger. Question number 12. Why was everyone helped to Uncle Podger to put the picture on the wall? And the options are it took a long time, Uncle promised them a picnic, Uncle Podger made the task very exhausting, both A and C, and the correct answer is option D, both A and C. It took a long time. Uncle Podger made the task very exhausting. Question number 13. What did Uncle Podger try to find out when he cut himself? And the correct answer is option A, his handkerchief. Question number 14. How did Uncle Podger looked at the job with? And the options are pride, satisfaction, nervous, both A and B. And the correct answer is option D, both A and B, with pride and satisfaction. Question number 15. To whom did Uncle Podger send the kind regards? And the correct answer is option A, Mr. Goggles. Question number 16. How many children were mentioned in the story? And the options are 12, 11, 12, 10, none of the above. And the correct answer is option D, none of the above. There were 4 children mentioned in the story. Question number 17. What did Uncle Podger want to stand for hanging the picture? A step ladder, a kitchen chair, a sofa, both A and B. And so the correct answer is option D, both A and B. That means a step ladder and a kitchen chair. Question number 18. What did Uncle Podger ask the girl to bring? And the correct answer is option A, nails. Question number 19. Who did not allow anyone else to do a job? And the correct answer is option D, Uncle Podger. Question number 20. What was Uncle Podger hanging on the wall? And the correct answer is option C, a frame. Question number 21. He shouted on others after losing the hammer by Owen. After sitting on his coat, blaming the others, these two instances show the Uncle Podger is careful, good, careless, all of these. And the correct answer is option C, careless. So, these two instances show the Uncle Podger is a careless person. Question number 22. How many people mentioned in the story? And the correct answer is option A, 8 people. And here is the list of the people who mentioned in the story. Uncle Podger, his wife Aunt Maria, their three sons Tom, Jim, Will, their daughter, which is the unnamed girl, and the charwoman, their servant, and Mr. Gogol. Question number 23. When was a commotion up and down the house? And the correct option is option A, every time Uncle Podger undertook a job. Question number 24. How many days Aunt Maria would go to her mother's house when Uncle Podger thought of hanging a picture next? And the correct answer is option A week. Question number 25. What did Uncle Podger get from the frame maker? And the correct answer is option A, a picture. Question number 26. Give the correct meaning of hold the light. And the correct answer is option A, show the light. Question number 27. What are the effects of Uncle Podger's successful hanging of the picture? And the options are the damaged wall, the crooked and insecure picture, tired family, all of these. And the correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 28. At first, Uncle Podger dropped the, and the correct answer is option C, picture. Question number 29. Who said this to whom? Oh, you women, you make such a fuss over everything. And the correct answer is option A, Uncle Podger said to Aunt Maria. Question number 30. Where was the handkerchief? And the correct answer is option A, in the pocket of Uncle Podger's coat. Question number 31. To whom Uncle Podger asked for sixpence worth of nails? And the correct answer is option C, the girl. Question number 32. What did Uncle Podger take off? And the correct answer is option A, his coat. Question number 33. What is the name of Uncle Podger's sons? And the correct answer is option D, all of these. The name of his three sons are Will, Tom, and Jim. Question number 34. Which things did Uncle Podger ask the children to bring for him for hanging the picture? And the options are nail, rule, a bit of picture cord, all of these. And the correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 35. Who is the protagonist of the story? And the correct answer is option C, Uncle Podger. Question number 36. What is the theme of the story Uncle Podger hangs a picture? And the options are gender role and control, responsibility and ignorance, inequality and independence, all of these. And the correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 37. Where was the picture kept before being hung? And the correct option is option A, in the dining room. Question number 38. What did Uncle Podger call family members? And the correct option is option D, fools. Question number 39. Why did Uncle Podger want his coat? And the correct option is option A, he cut himself while saving the glass of the picture. Question number 40. Where was the coat? And the correct answer is option A, on a chair. Question number 41. Did Aunt Maria wish to hang the picture by Uncle Podger? And the correct option is option B, no. Question number 42. No one could find Uncle Podger's coat. Why? And the correct option is option A, because he was sitting on it. Question number 43. Who went down on their knees to search the nail? And the options are Tom, Jim, the charwoman, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 44. Where did Uncle Podger slide and fall? And the correct answer is option C, on the piano. Question number 45. Which writer's work published in The Idler? And the options are W. W. Jacob, Mark Twain, Raja Rao, both A and B. And the correct answer is option D, both A and B. Question number 46. The idle thoughts of an idle fellow is a, and the correct option is option C, collection of essays.